If you look at the price of Bitcoin every day, you will literally give yourself anxiety. But let's do it anyway. Today, Bitcoin's at $20,482. If you look back at the weekly time frame, we're actually down for the entire week. And if we zoom out to the month, it's been chopping literally sideways anywhere from about 22,500 all the way down to a little under 18,000. If we zoom out to the year, it's down for the year. Basically, all the money I've been putting into Bitcoin has literally gone to shit, and I'm going broke. I mean, everyone is, and basically this is what we have to deal with right now. But it's the perfect opportunity for accumulate at lower levels if you missed the boat. I got some articles I want to break down for you guys, starting off with the article talking about if Ethereum is going to surpass Bitcoin. Basically, they asked a couple people if they think Ethereum is going to surpass Bitcoin at any point, which I don't think it's going to happen. This one dude called Wake and Bake Trades on Twitter said, Bitcoin is a dinosaur at this point with no actual utility. As long as ETH has Polygon scaling, there's a big chance it will surpass BTC in the near future with Matic right behind it. This guy's a clown. Obviously, he doesn't know what he's talking about. Ethereum is never going to pass Bitcoin. And the reason for it is because Ethereum and Bitcoin do two totally different things. Ethereum is the internet, Bitcoin is digital gold. And when it comes to institutional money, they're going to put their money into Bitcoin because it's safer. It doesn't have to be flashy. It doesn't have to do a bunch of different things. But what it does really well and predictably. And it's also deflationary. This other guy says, not a chance. Bitcoin is king and always will be. Some of the guys go on to say that, on the other hand, Raul Sine argued that it will never happen, pointing out that BTC is digital gold while ETH is the second iteration of the internet. Sine noted that there are many differences between the value of digital assets and digital software, which makes sense. Obviously, Ethereum is the second iteration of the internet. Things can be built on it. And then Bob Scheibe also weighed in on the topic, saying that there's plenty of room for both, which I agree with. There's room for both Ethereum, Bitcoin. There's room for a bunch of different coins. But when it comes down to the fundamentals, what you want to bet your money on, what you want to put your life savings on. If you told me you have your life savings, you can put it in Bitcoin or you can put it in Ethereum. I'm going with Bitcoin 9 times out of 10. It doesn't mean that Ethereum is not going to go up. Doesn't mean Ethereum is not going to perform. But in my opinion, my conviction is with Bitcoin. This other article talks about how CleanSpark acquires 1,061 Bitcoin miners at a discounted price. Bitcoin's price is down. Miners are selling their equipment. They're shutting down operations. But this company is very smart because CleanSpark Inc. has renewable energy and they don't have to pay a lot of money to run these machines. They bought the machines cheaply. It's free energy, so it's a really great investment. When I read stuff like this, it's like, I wish I got into mining way sooner. And I could have, I had an opportunity. Like literally back in 2017, I had a patient come in and he told me that his brother and him were mining Bitcoin. At the time, this was kind of one of the first times I've heard about Bitcoin. And he mentioned to me that, yeah, I should invest in it. I should learn more about it. And at the time, he was so young, I kind of wrote him off. And I wish I didn't. Like, we've all had opportunities where we heard about something, we should have got into it. My opportunity was back in 2017. And this kid is a millionaire, multi-millionaire right now, tons of Bitcoin, all in crypto. He's got a freaking farm in California mining cannabis. Like, him and his brother has just, for some reason, his brother was into computers, learned about Bitcoin, and they got into Bitcoin mining in 2017. Had I done that, I've been way better off.